Hello everyone, this is Mihir Tandon and I am a marine engineer by profession. I am currently associated with GMAT 30 for my GMAT preparations and I am here to share my GMAT preparations experiences which has been exceptionally good. I got to know about GMAT 30 while I was doing my research on LinkedIn and was going through Param sir's post how his students have achieved their dream score through their teachings imparted. So I almost talked to all of the recommenders. So I recommended Param sir on their LinkedIn profile and each and every one of them told me that they are the best ones and you will enjoy your GMAT journey with them. I called Param sir for one-on-one preparations. You should not go for these costly preparations at the early phase of the GMAT. You should give yourself sufficient time, build up your skills, and then if you feel the need arises, so then you can go for one-on-one preparations. So after hearing these words, I realized that they only want to help me get my desired score in the most affordable way possible. So after hearing their teaching structure, I got myself enrolled with them, and I can assure you that everything they told is what they had delivered. I've never seen any of my classes ending in just 2 hours. Almost all of my classes went beyond 2 hours, and in each and every minute of the class, they are adding some value to their teachings. Almost every student has to answer the question which is being discussed during the lectures. So it is a kind of two-way interaction and you have to keep yourself more attentive during the lectures. After every class, the recordings of the lectures are being shared and there is a dedicated WhatsApp group on my batch wherein all of our doubts are addressed immediately. I still keep posting my doubts and each and every doubt of mine is being explained very nicely and in an elaborate way. After every class, we are being assigned homework to the subject matter taught and without any sugarcoating, our quant teacher keeps repeating that this is the bare minimum which is required of you as of now. That is, go through the lectures again, make notes for the same and do the homeworks. The teachers have clearly told me that it will take around 4 months to prepare yourself for the exams and give your first attempt. Now, my classes are about to finish and I have already seen all of the official questions of GMAT to which I will be preparing myself for the exams. I felt that GMAT 30's only aim is to help me achieve 700 plus in my official exam and help me build up my skills which will stay lifetime with me. Even our verbal teacher Param sir asked each and every student call him any time of the day and clear their doubts with respect to their preparations. I have never seen this kind of extended help imparted by any teacher. The teachers teach with a lot of passion and I can assure you that once you associate with them, you will always push yourself for the best and achieve your dream score.